A warrant of arrest is hereby issued against the accused person S3 Tumwiine Moses. Any police officer arrest him and produce him in court by the next hearing date. Number 2, criminal summons are hereby issued to all the sureties of the third accused person, Tumwiine Moses. Number 3, this court, if satisfied that the warrant of arrest was effected, or that all the efforts to arrest S3 proved futile, will proceed with this case in the absence of the accused person, for he will have made it impractical court to proceed in his presence as per Article 28, Surrey D, and 5 of the 1995 Constitution of Uganda as amended. This case is adjourned to the 5th
before adjournment, Your Worship,
of May 2025 at 9:30 a.m.
Before holding the fight hostage.
Yes, what are you suggesting?
No, first of all, I am most obliged court's ruling and guidance, but we have